Ndiye sanibonani sisegoli sisejose maboneni la sakhulela khona safika ke thina ngesibeletho omkhulu bethu bafika sanibona bakwethu safika la thina ngesibeletho hello ntombi omkhulu bethu bafika lana ngamaziko aphelele sanibonani abakhaliphi bokukhanya uTedros Amlaki uTembe uNgolanyama banomsebenzi qatho qedinisa isibaya intombi zakhe izaqoma zalisana zodwa yeah. We're here in Marshalltown, Weed Lovers Market. Sizolauncha i-Enden. I-Enden sikhuluma ngokuthi out of everyone that has spoken about spirituality, out of everyone that has spoken about ukukhula komuntu, out of everyone that has spoken about umoya, out of everyone that has spoken about the rekindling and the decolonization, what is it then? And then what? Ngoba yazi siyakhuluma bakwethu sila ubukela yazi siyakhuluma kodwa kuyafuneka ukuthi ekukhulumeni kwethu sazi ukuthi and then what. Amasiko nezithethe is the formula and the methodology. Yini lento esiyenzayo, kulento esiyenzayo siyenza njani, and then what. Woza mfowethu sanibona in everything that we do as abantu kumele kube nendlela esiyazi ukuthi sizawuqala umsebenzi sizowusuphethe lo msebenzi loyo ungabi nento ephuma endleleni. We as abakhaliphi bokukhanya, we are pro rituals, we are pro isintu. Into esikhulumayo thina ukuthi everything that must happen phakathi kwesibaya, must happen phakathi kobuhlanti ixhomeke exhantini. And we're here in Johannesburg, we're here in Marshalltown. Big up yourself, Weed Lovers Market. Thank you so much for having us. Rastafari.
Busukala musulala kalele nkosini, busukala musukulala kalele nkosini, noma izinto zibanzima yona inkosi izoba nawe. Hlala ethembeni wena, hlala ethembeni, khanyisa esebanisa ngoba konke kuzolunga.
Yo, give thanks for life. Sanibonani mkhanya ukuthi indlebe lovuka khalima into phezu kwayo banomselo iqatha waqeda isibaya untombazane ngizaqoma zalisana zodwa kwakhala abafelokazi bakhumbula amadoda abo futhi uvuma kwasinkhwekazi ababhemba bafa indlala inhlezi na noZulu Mageba mfowethu ubajela uzazisa
bhuti omdala wena uthi bahlaba bayekele nabafazi babo kanti kwenzakalani? Lona la ekhaya abantu abadala akhona Phiri, as per the world knows me, ngoba ngizalwa uRay Phiri, kodwa ubaba uzalwa kwaZulu-ke umntwana mina
Zulu Mageba
anyeke ngande ngoba izithakazelo zasekhaya nazazi, kodwa mina ngubambelela shoba, ngishobe elisekugcineni. Mawufuna ukuthakatha uthakatha ngami, mawufuna impilo uzoyithola ngami, asithakathi kodwa siyaphilisa.
Mageba sihlangane namhlanje sila eWeed Lovers Market eMarshalltown sizokhuluma ngale ndaba yale Enden. Thina ke njengoba wazi ukuthi amasiko nezithethe, amasiko nemikhuba into esiphilisayo. Sithi ke in everything that has been spoken, in everything that has been shared with the people online, you know, and then what? What is your take on that?
You know, and then is a very tricky subject because and then uhamba ngenhliziyo yomuntu ukuthi wena enhlizweni yakho umuhle kangakanani, ngoba masikhuluma ngesintu sasekhaya thiwa ukuthi umthakatho omkhulu uyinhliziyo.
Okay.
Umuntu akakuthakathi nje akuthakatha ngemithi, ukuthakatha ngomoya. Everything is spiritual.
Qala la
And
ekhaya futhi.
yonke into iqala la. Qala la. So when I say and then, ngizocela mina abantu bakwethu balungise inhliziyo zabo.
Okay.
Okokuqala ku-and then makuhamba kimi. Ngoba inhliziyo egaya ubuzi inezithelo ezinobuzi kuphela. Kodwa inhliziyo enobuhle, enokukhanya, enenjabulo, igaya izithelo ezinenjabulo.
Njalo.
So for me, and then is something that is very intrinsic to every human. How you think of yourself, how you think of the world, and the role that you play in the world.
Exactly. And I mean, yazi Makeba, a lot of us singamadoda. Yes, singabantu, yes. But ngikhulumela amadoda na.
Beautiful.
Sinokuthi siphande ngapha, sithi sizame ngapha, sithi sibheke ngapha. Kodwa singazi ukuthi impilo iyophelelaphi. And then is that question, right? Mangabe uzohlala nenyanga noma uhlangana nomthandazeli akubuza ukuthi Makeba wena Dolly kandaba elimshelelezi unenkinga kanje nakanje nakanje. Ukuze uyilungise kumele uwazi umkhuba wakini ukuthi into ekanje ilungiswa kanjani, right? But that person has posed you with a question that you do not know how to answer. The question you ask yourself is then, and then?
No, the question is imikhuba yiphi? Singabakhohlwa phela. Abantu abadala bafa nolwazi labo. Bangasijulisanga thina basizalile.
Okay.
Ngokuthi inkinga noma awukubheke lapha. Qaphela. Ungathinti kabana laphayana ngoba uzoshangane yami. La ikhasi zenzi lezinto ngaleyo ndlela. So at times there are things that we can't answer because we are not responsible for their occurrence in our lives. However, the only thing that we can answer for is what I am doing now.
Exactly. Ayikho enye into besides for what is in front of you, that is your reality.
And my reality is, how am I fixing? Okay, in my family, I see that there are so many efficiencies, and things that have gone wrong. Am I now supposed to go back and ask the person and put them under jury and telling them that they were wrong and they're an elder to have done X, Y, Z?
Why not go out and find it?
No, why not go out and become something that I call a rat? Ulumu police. Uthi umuntu omdala empilweni yami mina sengibhekane nento ezikanje nakanje kodwa angiphumeleli ekhaya izinto sizenza kanjani.
Sanibonani. Abakhaliphi bokukhanya silana eGandhi Square umama uzazisa.
Libiso la ka nna ke mme Maleloko Flora Lebohang Mahao. Taba ya setho bana beso ba ratehang ke e rata haholo. Motho a tla ema mona ba re setho sa rona ha se sana mo se kenang teng postmodern. Motho eo o tshwantse a bellwe ka thoko a fuwe dikeletso. Ha re shebeng setho se setle sa motho ya tshwanang le dikgarebe tse hlolwang tsa maZulu. What a decent culture. Ha ba hlola banana bana ba ba hlola jwalo to protect them against the predators tse le tsebang hore di tlo robala le bana ba rona. Ha qeta mo user o mo tshella on the sideline jwale ka o tshela chepisi a ila e hlafuna tswana o kgathetse ko yona o ilahlela kwa setho ke hona mo se kenang teng hore bana ba rona ba be protected from early sex ena engata e se be e tshwatlile le lenyalo batho ba se ba sa bone molemo wa lenyalo because ke sex everywhere and ke ntho mb e re etsang ke ntho mb e batho ba etsang hore ba tlose setho bane se khona ho sireletsa bana ba rona hore ba ske ba kena melekong ya hore ba thole le mafu a kotsi a le a tsebang. Re batle lo ya bisa ka mabitso a mang a hona bile ha fole. Re la ka bolellwa hore ho na le a mang a sa foleng. Ha ke sa hopola hore ke gonorrhea kapo ke syphilis. One of them ha e fole. Ha e o tshwere ke lifetime. So ntho tsena tsa culture e tshwana le ya maZulu ya ho hlola nna ke a di thueletsa ke a di rata ke di rata rati ka lerato la love because di tshireletsa bana ba rona di ba etsa batho ba decent. So siyahlala isintu siyahlala siyasithanda.
Ngithi ngibuze Ntombi Endala ukuthi la esizweni ke yini lento ocabanga ukuthi iyadingeka ke ukuthi singabantu ekubuyeni emasisweni wethu esintwini sethu siruneng sa rona e tlo re thusa kae?
Ke rata potso ya hao haholo ntate hobane ha o sheba mefuta ena ya batho ba uthweng ke mefuta e ka jekona ba se ba bisa ma-Indian hantle ke ma-Arab batho ba akere ke ma-Arab ba ntse ba rwala dituku tsa bona bontate ba ntse ba apara mese ya bona e melelele bomme ba bona ba ntse ba rwala ka mokgwa ba rwalang ka teng ka letseba ba bang ba kenya le difestere mona mahlong ba rwale le dituku tsa bona ho ska ba le mo hlahang batho ba bang ba criticize. It's easy to criticize. Fela nna ne kere ba ntse ba boloka setho sa bona and le bona ba ne ba sireletsa bomme wa nna ke butsitse motswalla wa ka no thwe ke yoliswa o sa hlokaetse e ne le mo Muslim kere wa ile khurumetsa ho tloha hodimo ya tswa tlase are ho khurumetsa hore bontate se ka ba khalla mme ha ba bona ntsa ba shebile madolo le di-figure le dirope e be sentse ba mo approach ka nako o nyetse. So they are protecting this woman hore a ske a hlahella ho bontate bana ba mo kgallang ba tla batla go ba robale le yena ilinili because ke ntho re sa batleng ntho ya ilinili motho o fumana dintho a tshantse a ntshe tjhelete ha ba tlontsha tjhelete o batla fela na tjhentjhe banana jwale ka ke disakatuku ke bana ba bomang ba ntsontsa disakatuku ka bona o ba iphumula bo lahlela fatshe ba tswetse bana ba. We want them to be decent. Setho sa rona se a dula se a hlala la sizo se hlale se a sithanda se a protector. Thank you
so much Mama, can I please give you a hug? Thank you so much for your time. uNkulunkulu amen nawo uNkulunkulu akubusise.
Thank you ntate. Ngithande kakhulu lento yenu. Ngiyamazi no aba umuntu o right for mina. Ngoba uhambisana le nesintu izinto zesintu. Right. Siyamlalela mina mangimbona avela kuma podcast ngiyamlalela my boy uyamthanda. Mabonile ukuthi nawo aba uyavela uyaziletha kimi ngilalele because ngimtshele ngathi ngiyamthanda lo baba u protector isintu and we need people like him. Isintu ebanana everything else is better than us. Ngani? No.
Emhlabeni wethu. Siyabonga mama wami. Bayethe. Samba sidana ekan square. Yazi namhlanje silapha eWheat Lovers Market, pick up Wheat Lovers Market, Marshall Town, Dano. Nabathi lokukhanya esiphizo lokufona nkhanye pho. Awubase sembi wakho.
Emmanuel Khelu gama lami ngiluzuku phelela Jono Phaka Mukondeba. Ngisuka lapha namhlanje sendabankulu kwelaMpondo eKathapho ndaye. Ndamiya lokwazi
yaro. Napho. So leo kusabeni nganda masu fa.
Lapha lapha.
Kwethu wena phambomo ngisibuze ukuthi njengoba sisifunda lento ethi and abantu kade bakhuluma moya kade bakhuluma ngezinto ezifana nathi thina abantu abomkhulu amasiko isaseli into ebalulekile yini na njengoba usibona sibale gobe Kali Square ayasebenza yini bro?
Yo, njengoba bengike ngake ndazama ukuthi lokubana amasiko abalulekile kakhulu bra. In fact, I feel like especially here in Australia, when the people are in a identity crisis. People don't really know who they are. And if you don't know who you are, going forward becomes very black because the reason ithetha le nto bra njengoba sendikwazise ukuthi ndivulishile ngum still proud of them ngoba ndihappy proud of loo nto leyo but there's an element of inferiority khona laa nto bana xa uziexpressa ngobuxhosa bakho okanye uziexpressa ngobuzwi bakho, you know, you are somehow inferior to this Eurocentric perception, like especially if you're operating, you understand? Masesipani na ukere amaso okanye ukere umvuso okanye ukere umkhoti, uyabona nabantu angisebenza nabo lapha yabo. So andazi noba silahlephi, but we no longer take ourselves serious, no longer know who we are no longer interested in even finding out ubana sinobani, and this is why I'm saying it's an identity crisis. You understand? Umini uba ethi wena ikwazi nondithathisela uba ungumntu, khona abanye abantu apha abangakwazi nokukhona
Siyazana phela mina nawo ma.
siyazana mna nawe ngoku.
Ngiyazi ukuthi
Understand? And
uma ngifika entabankulu ngiyofuna othola inkomo yize ngifumane pha.
course introduction yakho bhuti le to your roots. This is why kwaXhosa xa uqala uzazisa, you don't tell us your name, you tell us about your great grandfathers. Bona abantu abahambe phambi mna xa undibuza uba ndibani, the first answer endiza kunika yona ndibuJohn uPapa Muqengele. Before you know my name, you know I've given you a piece of where I come from. I've given you a piece of my ancestors because I carry them. So there are people who will never understand London like they understand. You bana ndibani gama lakho andinusithibo. No, and as you know that once uzazise kanjalo kum, you already told me a lot about wena ne-consciousness yakho about who you are. Yeah, understand? It's not it's in how we speak, it's in how we express ourselves. You understand? Now if that becomes diluted, then Sakanas is expressed as someone who's from Europe. It's a crisis.
Zola, thank you so much. Ihlobo alibuye nawe qhume la ubuya khona nala uthathe khona kwemhlophe yokufana namasakithi.
Because brother bulela le nto yenzayo brother, initiative othathayo to ask this question. I know abanye abantu they may take it very light. It's a very deep question, you know. I feel like as much as this I'm able ukuphendula, I feel like nama nikuphendulanga enough bra, because it's the simplest needs.
Yes, spine.
Also tama bulela tama yekeseba
Bless Allah.
Yeah man.
Sila namhlanje sizovula le ndaba le endebe. Ngisakhuluma nalamandoda ukuthi madoda ukuthi so many things have been spoken, so many things have been brought into information online. Abantu bakhuluma ngamasiko, abantu bakhuluma ngespirituality, and then what? Saxoxa sathi hayi isibayi impela ke kuyilale le ndawo beliqala khona, kodwa siqala kanjani as per the formula and the methodology. Ngathi usithi nje amathawu.
Mfoka Mthembu, kungathethwa kuthethwe kude kujikilanga. Inye qha into efuneka yenziwe apha, masibuyeleni embo, masibuyeleni kwindlela zotatomkhulu. Does that mean now we have to be backwards, or does that mean we have to negate the modern time? No. Isintu is a scientific method, is a scientific formula of how people live. Isithethe is a scientific methodology of how people do things. Now, ukubuyela kumasiko nezithethe is not to say now we are not going to drive cars or use cameras or use cell phones or computers. No, it means let us go back to being human. Masibe ngabantu, And what is being human? Being human is being true to oneself, first of all, being true to the community around you, and being true to your nationhood, your identity.
Exactly.
Yeah, man.
So singasho ukuthi the formula is now the answer to the questions about ukuthi hey mina isibongo hey mina ingane hey mina ikhaya, and then isithethe being now how to sort those things out.
Exactly. Because if you walk around today, it's unfortunate. If you meet a lot of people, they'll tell you about Nkhuliso Mama or Nkhuleleka Bo Mama. I have my mother's surname. I have my mother's culture. I have my mother's identity. That renders a lot of people one-sided and single-poled. And we are supposed to be bipolar. Today, bipolar is considered as a mental illness.
But don't you think the one that is there is a single pole, not a bipole?
That's the problem. The problem is that we do not respect the other side of the spectrum. We are unipolar instead of being bipolar. We are bipolar as humanity. And in that polarity, positive must always lead the negative. The identities of our fathers, of our families, that's where the and then question,
Pole, the Santa Claus.
the Santa Claus, the one who brings the gifts. Yeah,
And
man.
the South Pole being then the balance,
That's it.
and then of that which flies all around the world.
That's it. So without the North Pole or the North Star or the magnetic north, that which draws you to yourself,
True north.
your true north, without that, we have a misguided society.
No, we enjoyed ourselves. Stays nalamadoda lawa okwabini omakeba omazini khona neyakini
Umbona.
umbona ushayimbi ukude hey maningi amadoda lana ngiyathemba ukuthi amadoda ayizwele ndaba esithi okay madoda emva ka endena nayi lento isisibayeni. Yo, pick up yourself, man. You don't know, show that, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. And wonke umsebenzi esiwenzayo asikwazi ukushiya abantu ngaphandle.
Umsebenzi wabantu.
Umsebenzi wabantu isibaya kuhlatshwe inkomo kuhlanganwe amadoda nabafazi babo.
Yeah, man.
Give thanks, Abba.
My lord. Magwande, man. And the one thing I'd like to say more than anything else, must go to man.
Asekhaya,
Masiyene makhaya.
Msiyeni.
Give thanks.